Hello Brad, I'm Roger here at Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough. Hey, very nice choice on a 4x4, 144 wheelbase low roof Sprinter van. Like I told you earlier today, I wanted to do a personalized video of the Sprinter van that you did pick. And thank you for getting in touch with me all the way from Mooresville, North Carolina. That's great. We're going to start here in the front of the Sprinter. I want to point out the chrome grille. Excuse the pollen too. There's a little bit of pollen on our vehicles up here in Maine. It's kind of thick this time of year. But like I said, I wanted to point out a few really cool things. You have your sensors here in the front bumper as well. I know we talked a little bit about safety this morning. And I know you have an X5 BMW, so and you're thinking about going from that to a Sprinter van. This Sprinter does have the Mercedes-Benz aluminum wheels. That's a nice option that we have to choose from Mercedes-Benz. And then we'll get a nice shot of the interior. So this does have some nice wall paneling on the van. It does help with road noise and things like that, but it also protects the exterior walls from anything that may fall. Also, the wood floor. This does have an anti-slip coating on it. That's why it's gray in color. So if your feet are wet and you go to step on this, you're not going to slip on it. It's very nice, very, very durable. And we'll come around here to the back of the van. So this Sprinter van does have the 10.25 inch MBUX display screen, and we're going to get to that here in just a moment. But I wanted to point out where the rear view backup camera is. It's just above the third brake light. It has a nice view straight down. And then your other safety sensors here in the rear bumper. And then also, these doors open up. You can open them up 90 degrees and they latch in place right there. It's a little windy today and the doors are very stationary. And also they open up 270 degrees. The way the hinge is built too, there's a latch mechanism inside the hinge to hold it in place. So it's not going to just close on you, which is a very nice feature. So Brad, I'm going to hop in the cab of the Sprinter van. I want to show you some great options in there, and we'll go over those items with you. It's very nice. Hey Brad, so we're sitting here in the cab of the Sprinter van. It's so nice too. This has leatherette seating. It's very durable. It does have heated seats too for the wintertime. I want to point out it has electric seats. You have 5 adjustments. It's just very nice. And also there's leg extenders for the back of your legs if you have long legs. It's very adjustable. And then over here I want to show you some of the really cool features here. Up in the dash, so right here we have a wireless charging tray for your cell phone. You just simply set your phone in there and it will charge while you're driving down the road. Also, USB ports, there's 3 of them. This particular one right here, you can plug into this and get with your Apple phone or your Droid, and you can get all of your apps up here on this screen, which is really cool. You can also stream it from your phone once your phone's paired as well. Right here we have our cell phones. We can pair 2 phones to do hands-free. We have a beautiful navigation screen here too, and you can shrink that down or blow it up just like if you were on your phone. And then we have your AM/FM radio right here. This is also voice activated. You can tell it what radio station you want it to be on. There's a media center, an info center, an app store too. You can find different applications there, and vehicle settings. Very nice. This also has your cruise control setting is here on your steering wheel, and there's a little mouse pad here for your instrument panel. Also on the right hand side, there's a little mouse here too that you can control your MBUX system. And then I mentioned that I want to display that backup camera for you. So this does have a 360-degree camera, so you can see all the way around the van. Also, your backup camera can turn your wheels when you're backing up. If you decide to put a trailer hitch on, there's actually a a nice view right here that you could follow a drawbar and hook a trailer up. Very simple. A nice wide angle rear view. And then there's a blind spot camera right here. So there's cameras on the bottom of both your exterior mirrors. So if you're pulling out of a tight space before you pull out, you can actually view your blind spots to make sure there's nothing in your blind spot. Nice front view camera and a nice wide angle front view. So Brad, I'm going to take you for a test drive now around our parking lot. You'll be able to see how maneuverable the Sprinter van is. You can see how easy it is to maneuver around all the cars in our parking lot. Nice picture of our dealership. And Brad, I'm going to show you that backup camera one more time. I'm going to back this back into its parking spot, and you can visualize and see how crystal clear and nice that camera actually works. So you can see the vans behind us, and then you can see the van will follow the yellow lines right back into its spot. So Brad, like I said, thank you so much for reaching out to me. Thank you for finding me on YouTube. My name is Roger. You can reach me on my cell at 207-838-0169. And I'm really looking forward to working with you, Brad, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you so much.